Hey everyone, Matthew Kabumas Loomis here with BuildYourOwnBlog.net, and today I want to show you something. Actually, I was making this video for a client of mine, and I thought I would go ahead and share it with all of YouTube. So if you are a little confused or having some trouble with the featured images in WordPress, I just want to show you how that is done in the back end. Very simple, short video here, and let's get right to it. So my client here has this blog, and not that long ago, his entire post page, where all of his blogs are listed together, were not featuring any. They didn't have any images here, and so I went in and I went ahead and corrected this and put the feature images on each of these posts so that, you know, his posts are much more inviting, more likely to get clicks with these images. And so what he needed to know now was how to do this on his own, because putting an image in the blog post itself is not going to get the job done as far as having this, having your image shown like on the post page. As you can see here, let's jump over here real quick. I was going to show you the back end of my couple of my sites as well, but we'll go ahead and look at the front end. On BuildYourOwnBlog.net, you have the blogging tips where all of the posts are listed as well, and you have these images here. These images are all also in the featured image. They are not from the post. So you have to add a feature image for these images to show up in the post page. They'll show up on your posts. I mean, like, let's go back to this guy's blog. Like this post right here, he's got an image. He put it in his post, but it's not showing up, or it wasn't showing up on the featured, on the post page, because he didn't have it in the featured photo spot. So, like this one right here, persevering through travel. See, he's got an image. It's atop of the post, but it's not showing up on the post page because he needs to also put it as the featured image. So let me just show you real quick how to do that. So when you're in your back end here in the post editor, you're creating a post, and over here on the right, you want to look on the right side. Down at the bottom here, it's usually at the bottom, it says featured image. And so that's where we're going to put the image as well. To get it to show up on the post page, you want to click set featured image. We go to his media library. Then we insert this post into the, or excuse me, this photo into the featured post like so. Click set featured image, and now you can see that this image is over here in the right sidebar as well. So then we need to go ahead and update this. Click update, and so now when I refresh this page on the post, there you go. Now you can see the image there on the post page. Now the featured image, they look very similar in your WordPress dashboard, but depending on the theme that you have, these right sidebars in these posts can look a little bit different. Just going to show you one example here inside here. This is a post in BuildYourOwnBlog.net, and it's down here, featured image. And then over here in this other website of mine, You can see on the right side down here, the featured image is here. And if you ever want to change a featured image or you just remove it for some reason, just click Remove Featured Image and it disappears. And if you want to add a different photo, or maybe that was an accident and you took it out on accident, just re-click Set Featured Image, and then you'll go back to finding this image and putting it back in there. There you go. So on the front end of this website, then you'll see on the blog page that the featured image is here. All right, so that's how you insert a featured image, and that's a key to getting these images to show up on your post page. Not the post itself, but the post page where your blog posts are, cataloged or aggregated, archived together. Is where you want to pay attention to the featured images, because they do make a difference in click-through rates. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. If you need any help with your blog, contact me and I'll be happy to talk to you.